look what came in the mail today. Oh, there's packages. It's like Christmas came early. But it could be Christmas every single day if you have enough money to import stuff for yourself, no less. Which is actually pretty sad. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay. Stubborn sticky tape. Here we go. And immediately what I notice is that there's a slip inside. Thank you for shopping with us. We hope your order arrives safely. Blah 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 blah. Please note the manufacturers can only provide support for customers within Japan. Not anything about sales. Okay. In the bin that goes. And as expected, lots of wrapping. Well, not wrapping. What do you call it? Stuffing. Packaging. Shit. Whatever it's called. The memory card got full before, but that doesn't really matter. I was just removing the packaging paper from the box. And yeah, this time I have 2 items in the mail today, and they're both jigsaw puzzles. That one's Kill March and this one's Kill Sunny. Both 352 piece puzzles, and I don't think I actually have enough room on my desk to build this, to put this together, which is a bit of a problem for me. Size 18.2 by 51.5 centimeters, which is a fairly decent size actually. Yeah, not as big as I would like it to be, but then again, my walls don't really have that much room for me to hang anything on them anyway. So I'll be occupied with these 2 puzzles for the, I don't know, next week or so. I'm actually really busy this week. Maybe I'll, I don't know, log my progress on YouTube or just write a blog with pictures, but that's that. I decided to film a little extra footage and I'll just open up the box and check out the contents. But I'm pretty sure the contents would be just jumbled pieces of puzzle and whatnot. Aren't you guys happy it's not blister packaging for once? The box is actually quite thick. Not one of those flimsy cardboard boxes you get with Gunpla or whatever. So yeah, it's one of those a little sturdier cardboard boxes, so your puzzle pieces won't get crushed inside. What the hell is this? There's a packet of something here that it's glue inside. Maybe it's some kind of glue for when you finish your puzzle and you smear it over the top or something. That's the kind of message I'm getting from the image over here. I'm not sure if you can see it properly, but there's a hand and it's smearing that over the puzzle. Not sure what that implies. There's something else. I guess this is for the application of whatever is inside, so you smear that on top of the puzzle, whatever it is. I'm not sure. I'll ask my friend who speaks Japanese when I have the chance. Okay, I'm not sure what this is either. I think that says Sasu. No, that's Sesu Sa. Yeah, can't read it. Some kind of slip. Maybe if you're missing a piece of something, you trace the hole and you send it in. I'm guessing, and they send you a piece back. That's what I think. I'm not exactly sure. So yeah, that's the contents of the box. And here are the puzzle pieces. And they're exactly like you would expect them. They're quite thick and they don't look flimsy at all like some puzzles do. Yeah, not really much to say about it. Not really anything good to say about it or bad, but I guess that's the important thing, that I don't have anything bad to say about their puzzles. They're exactly like you'd expect a puzzle to be, and that's the important thing. There we go. Just a reminder, my PS3 has no games. Some pieces sticking to each other and shit, but I guess that's to be expected. I just hope there's not any that are deformed because of that, sticking into each other and shit. Yeah, they look pretty nice. Yeah, so I guess that's that. I'll start building it, I guess. I'll start putting it together. Can you really call it building if you're putting a puzzle together? Building a puzzle, you can't really say that unless it's like a 3D puzzle, can you? Building a 3D puzzle. But anyway, yep, I'm gonna go.